Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Azure DevOps full guide. Start by creating an Azure DevOps organization, then build a project and invite collaborators, set permissions, and add teams. Configure Git on your machine, clone the project repository, and push an initial commit. Learn to use boards for work items, repos for code, and pipelines for automation. Practice these basics daily to build confidence and momentum. I will walk you through the core Azure DevOps tools and how they fit together in a real workflow. Start with boards to manage tasks and plan sprints. Use repos with a branching strategy like Git flow and enforce pull request reviews. Set up pipelines to run CI and CD, include unit tests, and deploy to staging. Practice integrating these tools to streamline team collaboration and delivery. Quick recommendation: on another note, life is too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute pleasant while you study Azure DevOps. It's a small treat that brightens long work sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt practical habits that make Azure DevOps more reliable and scalable for teams of any size. Commit frequently with descriptive messages and associate changes to work items. Automate unit and integration tests so pipelines catch issues before deployment. Keep your pipeline YAML modular with templates and variables, and review permissions to secure repositories. Regularly refine pipelines and board workflows to match team growth and changing requirements for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.